Well, I was guided to see Jay, and so after doing a consultation with Jay, knew that was the right thing that I needed. Right when he started, it was very interesting with the first chime of the, I think it was a fork or a
Yeah,
bowl,
turn
whatever
forward.
the first chime. Yeah, I got a really sharp tingling sensation in the back of just one of my arms, and then that started happening um, regularly. And a lot of my energetic stuff, when I get energetic confirmations, that's where I feel it. So I just got a big confirmation that we had a good connection, which made me feel good, especially doing this virtually. Um, just very interesting working through the chakras as he worked his way up. I could tell as he was going what was clear and free flowing and felt right. And when he hit the blocks, where they were, and I physically started feeling almost like a tug of war in my abdomen area between my liver and my pelvis, and like my organs were being tugged a little bit. um so I knew there was a lot being held in that area. There was a moment where I got a really big, almost like a hot flash, um just in my face. And there was also a time where he was working on my sacral chakra, and I knew there was a lot blocked between my sacral and my solar plexus. And as he was working and clearing my sacral chakra, best way I could describe is it felt like if somebody was holding onto a balloon and
Right.
squeezing the bottom of the balloon, and all the pressure was going up toward the top. And it just felt like all that pressure went straight up into my head. And that dissipated pretty quickly once he kind of swept the area. Um, but I found that really intriguing, and had an area that was kind of difficult that I might need another session on. And I could tell that because it resisting being released, but it feels way better than it did. Um,
Good.
I also experienced a couple of times some temporal headache, just depending. It very brief. Um, and my ears got really hot at one point. That was unexpected when my ears got really hot. And what really I did not expect, because I was in such a calm space and everything was just, I was not feeling any kind of stress or any kind of emotion, really. I was just feeling calm. Got to one area where there was definitely some trauma at the right age, and all of the ages that he was feeling, different ages in my life, when something major happened. So that was spot on. And when he went over to one area, I just instantly started crying, which I didn't anticipate. And it was very cathartic to have that happen. Felt like a good release, like uncorking a bottle and
Good.
letting that go.
Good. Good.
So I feel really good. I know there's more services I'm going to be interested in because you do know your stuff. And I can't thank you enough.
Oh, well, thank you, Shelby.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate you and your testimony. And we look forward to tuning you again.
Okay, sounds good. We'll talk soon.
All right.